Hi guys, so we're back today with a very exciting video. So today we have an idea of doing the whole face of makeup with just one lipstick. And today our star will be from Becca Cosmetics, and this lipstick is called Cupid Kids. This is from one of the latest collection, the FX collection, featuring Khloe Kardashian and her best friend Malika. And this is a very true orangey nude, which can suit a lot of skin tones. And let's see how it works. So first off, I will cheat a bit with my concealer because I have very bad dark circles, so I want to conceal it for a bit, just a bit. I still go with my favorite from Too Faced one this way and blend away. Done. Let's go back to the main part today, the lipsticks. Alright, so I will start with my eyebrows. So I will use this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, number 12. I will just tip it on the top of the lipsticks. So let's see how it works. So I will go over my very ends of my eyebrows just to fill in a bit, and then for the rest of the brows I will use like little strokes just to make a very natural finish, and then we'll go over with this other end just to blend the lipstick in further. But yeah, voila! It's like a slider brow, but it's not too bright. So with those who have like brown hair or lighter hair, it's absolutely usable. Done with the brows. And now moving on to the eyes, I will use this 3 little brush right here. I will use this fluffy one and just slightly dark. This lipstick has I think it's like a satin finish, not too matte and not too shiny, which is like a very great formula to use all over the face because it's not too dry nor too hydrated. Right, and next off I will use like a smaller brush like this, just to go over the inner corner for a bit. And with the very same brush I will use the same lipstick as well and go over my under eye. And we're done with the eyeshadow. Last color. I will use a spoolie like this just to tap on the top of the lipsticks very slightly. You can just do what you normally do with the mascara. So I'm done with my lashes because it's lighter than my actual hair color, so you can't really see it, but it's there. But anyway, let's move on to contouring. Okay, now we're contouring. I will apply darkly the lipsticks to my face. So I will do my nose, a little bit of cheekbones, and I will use my fingers to blend. We're done with the nose. Now I will use a brush for my cheekbones.
We'll also use the very same lipsticks for the blush. Done. And now, last part for lips.
So this is the final look with just one lipstick and a bit of concealer. So for me, the nudes which has a bit of like red or orangey undertones will help a lot because I can use as a blush and also I can use with my eyes and it doesn't wash out my face. So for darker or lighter skin tones, there will be the nudes that is right for you. And for this look, especially nudes is the right theme color to go for, because for example pinks or reds will be a bit hard for you to contour your face, and also for the eyebrows and mascara as well. So this is just in my opinion. So if you guys like this look or you guys like this idea, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!